Every AI music video tool has the same problems. Visuals that ignore the music, cuts that miss the beat, lip sync like a badly dubbed movie, and it's all dead after 15 seconds. But watch this.
Watch me make it pop. Watch me make it pop. Big step, big drop. Big step, big drop. I got the room on lock.
No human edited that. It's all done in Freebeat, a tool that turns any song into an AI music video in one click. Every cut on the beat. You give it a song, it reads the tempo, the rhythm, the structure of the track, and builds a video where the cuts and the motion actually follow the music. Full songs, up to 6 minutes, not a 15-second loop. If you make music or content about music, a real music video used to mean days of editing or paying someone. Not anymore. Let me show you it all runs in the browser. Nothing to download. On freebeat.ai, click Music Video up top, and the menu drops down. Quick tour. Music video is the main one, a full video from your track. Dance video makes choreographed dance MVs. Photo karaoke turns your photos plus the song into a karaoke-style video. Real-time is for quick clips, and on-beat effects adds rhythm-synced effects. I'm going to music video, the main one. That drops me into the generator music videos already selected. First, the song, hit add music, and this is the bit I like: Suno, Udio, YouTube, SoundCloud. Paste the link or just drop in the file. I'm uploading mine. Set the duration, confirm, done. Now give it a singer, hit image generate one, upload your own, or grab a preset. Step 3. The prompt box says it straight. Describe a vibe or leave it blank and it just follows the music. I'm giving it the full brief: who she is, the world, and what happens on the drop. Down in the settings there's Studio, Fast, or Custom, and Custom is the fun one. You pick the exact model doing the rendering. I'm going with Seedance 2.5 brand new video model. It shoots up to 30 seconds in one continuous take, no stitching, and keeps the character consistent from the first frame to the last. Basically built for music videos. Then hit create. Now, this is where the agent takes over. It analyzes the BPM, the rhythm, and the structure of the whole song. In my run, it mapped 192 beat markers and found the chorus at 42 seconds, then built beat-synced visuals across the entire track. While it works, here's what's happening under the hood. It writes a storyboard, plans real camera shots, close-ups, wide shots, movement, and edits it all so the cuts hit on the beat. It named her Nova, by the way, and titled the whole thing Neon Drift: The Lock. Watch this part. Wait, run that back. Did you see that? The scene changed right on the drop. Nobody edited that. Freebeat is doing the job of a director and an editor at once. That's the auto beat sync. And look at the mouth. The lip sync runs around 90% accurate, and it runs in multiple languages. Now here's the part most people skip, and honestly, it's where this tool earns its money. Turn auto off, and you get real control. Upload your own character design and it stays consistent in every single scene. It even handles 2 characters interacting, which is exactly where most AI video tools fall apart. Pick a style: cinematic, anime, realistic, and my favorite, if one shot looks off, you regenerate just that clip, not the whole video. Because let's be honest, AI does not nail every shot on the first try. Here, you just re-roll the bad one, then flip on captions, beats, synced lyrics, and it suddenly looks finished. And the main generator is just the front door. There's a whole toolbox behind it, over 20 creator tools. Music to dance video, music to lyric video, even video to music, where it writes a soundtrack to match your footage. It runs on basically every major AI model out there, so you're not stuck with one look. Oh, and for the automation people, there's an MCP server and a CLI, so an AI agent can generate these videos programmatically. Song in, video out, published, no human clicks. When you're happy, download it. You pick the format: 16.9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, square for the feed, and it comes out ready to post. No re-editing, no reformatting. So, my honest take, mine came out clean on the first finished run. I expected to re-roll half the clips, didn't touch one. For me, this is one of the best AI music video generators you can use right now. It's free to try, links in the description, and my code gets you 10% off Pro. Make something, paste a song, pick a mode, and see what the agent builds. Then drop the track you turn into a video. In the comments I read every one.